kindergartners. We're back to talk some more about butterflies. We have 3 that are still in the chrysalises, but the rest have been flying around in there. Their wings have dried, they're walking around. They are eating the sugar water. So that's what I put here. Let's see, May 14th, 2 butterflies emerged. The next day we had 6. The next day we have 13, and here I say the butterfly sips sugar water through its proboscis. Okay, so the proboscis is that tube-like body part of the butterfly. You're gonna need to get your science notebooks out, and we are gonna look at page number 20 today, okay? It says here that butterflies need food. The butterflies will want to eat. They will stand on the sponge and drink the sugar water. The sponge will get dry, add more sugar water to the sponge every day. Okay, so these butterflies can live in here because we are providing them that sugar water. Here it says, what will the butterflies eat outside? Okay, so I've got some pictures here of butterflies, and you will notice, what are they next to or on top of? They are on top of flowers. Okay, so outside in nature, they're not gonna have sugar water, they're gonna have flowers. Wow, look at this one. That proboscis is all coiled up, and it's going down inside to the middle of the flower where there is nectar. Here you could see the proboscis going down, and in this one also. So it's reaching down inside the flower to get the nectar. So that's what we're gonna write to answer the question, what will the butterflies eat outside? The butterflies will sip nectar from a flower. Wow, it's gonna be a big sentence. So I'm gonna start with the word the, T-H-E, and it's starting my sentence, so it's gonna have an uppercase letter. A finger space, butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. The butterfly will, W-I-L-L. Let's see here. I think I'm going to put my next word here. Sip. S-I-P. The butterfly will sip nectar. Okay, and that's going to be N-E-C-T-A-R. The butterfly will sip nectar from flowers. That's what we're going to say. F-R-O-M. And then flowers, another F word. Ow, which is O-W, and then a flower, Z. When that Z is at the end, often it's an S. Let's look at our sentence. The butterfly will sip nectar from flowers. We want to put a period at the end. And now we're going to come down here and we're going to say the butterfly has a long tube for a mouth. The tube is called a proboscis. Ooh, wow, let's underline that word. That's a good word right there. We need to know that word. Draw the proboscis on this butterfly. So we've actually got one here to kind of show you, but you're gonna come over here from its head and you're gonna draw a proboscis coming down into that flower, okay? So if you want to draw that flower, you can color it. A beautiful color. Here it's just showing the head of the butterfly, so it's got the eyes and the antenna and the proboscis. So I think what I'm going to do, since I underlined the word, I'm going to go ahead and draw the arrow there so we can really just see what that is. There's the proboscis. What else do we want to put on our science notebook? Let's go ahead and put the today's date, okay, because that's when we're filling this out. We could come up to the top. Today is 5, the 5th month for May, and 17. Today is May 17th, and we're talking about how butterflies have a proboscis that they use to sip nectar out in nature, or here in our butterfly cage, they are sipping the sugar water.